Hey everybody, wanted to check in. Yesterday we were hoping to shoot a video to show you the extreme flood, but I'll try to give you some reference today on where we're at. It's actually gone down quite a bit. You see the river kind of flowing by a little measurement post there? Yeah, typically we can see the 2 or the 3 on that post, and there's only a 4 barely showing now. If you look down the river, you can see most of our bank is in the river still. For reference, yesterday the water was all the way up to the edge of this chair. Both those bottom sections of the kayak rack were filled with water. So yeah, we spent most of the day yesterday just kind of securing everything and getting things back, but just thought I'd take a quick second to show you what was going on out here. Looks like we're down a little bit, need a couple more days of the water receding for us to even think about getting trips out there, but just thought we'd check in. Keep in touch this week, and if you're planning on coming out, just check in for now to see where we're at with conditions. Hope to see y'all soon.